Well, first up today at Dynodaze is this beautiful Cosmic Grey EP3 that's just had a TypeR 4:1 manifold fitted by our Richard and our work experience young lad. And now it is time to get it up on the dyno and do a bit of tuning. So here we go. Okay, so first up is going to be an initial power run. Now, it's got some modifications, as you can see. It's also got a 4:1 TypeR manifold now and a M2 catback exhaust system. So we're going to do a run, get a power figure, do an ECU exchange, and then start tuning. So here we go. Okay, so initial power run done, and she's made 221 brake horsepower, which is not a bad start, to be fair. So, as Richard explains, it will definitely make some power. So, this is good to go. Hey, Rich?
Need a longer lead. That's a minuscule...
Richard needs a longer lead. So, we all need a longer lead. So, I'm going to go find a longer lead for him. This is going incredibly well. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello.
Welcome to your first YouTube video, young man.
Hello. He's been meeting our sandwich today.
He is. We're gonna make a man out of him. I don't know how we're gonna do that, like. But
Yeah.
You learned anything yet?
Yeah.
Swear words.
Swear words don't count.
Oh, that don't mean you've learned anything if you've interested.
Yeah. If anyone asks you what you've learned, don't say that.
How are we getting on, Rich? It seems to be responding really well.
Yeah, really good. I think up to now it's going fine. We've dialed the cam timing in, so we're just working on ignition time a little bit and just running back through fueling. But I think we're pretty much there now.
Fantastic. All right. Well, let's get on with it. And this could be this young man's first EP3 mapping session.
Yeah.
You happy to be here?
Yeah.
Yeah, he looks it. Cool.
Top coat if you leave it on.
Yeah.
Which it might do. You never know.
That's a bit of lack of
This EP3's had someone's bum on it.
There's a definite.
I'd like to think people who owned these when they were new were getting laid a lot.
Yeah, maybe. It was.
I had a mate who had one brand new and he let me drive it. That's why I've always been kind of in love with them, really, because I had a 1300 Civic, the EG with the flip bonnet boot at the back. Loved it. Somebody wrote it off, and my mate's brother had got a red one of these brand new, and he just went straight away, "You can drive it if you want, bro." And I was like, "Yeah, go on then." And it was sucking air, leaves into the cabin.
Nice.
and it was brand new, so out of the box it was going like lightning. The fastest thing I'd ever been in.
You had a similar story, didn't you?
I
with the
wanted one
BAT?
ever since that.
Someone let you have a go in
I think it was
a
2006 or something.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
like, why am I messing about with Fords?
While we're messing around with old Fords, yeah. I need to get myself some of this.
To be honest, I wouldn't mind the Ford ST as well. Focus ST.
No,
No? They're
Not
bad.
for us.
I'm sorry to hear that, mate.
Yeah.
I can get you some counselling if you wish.
Don't worry, I'm team Honda. Don't
Good lad, good lad. Right, so EP3 Civic. It tuned up quite well, didn't it?
Yeah, we fitted a 4-to-1 manifold, Tegra manifold to it today. It already got an exhaust system on it, M2, 2.25 with the big sort of 4-inch back box on it. So not really a lot of silence in there, to be fair. It's quite a loud one.
It is a loud one.
Yeah, we mapped up lovely. Everything went according to plan, as you would expect. Made good power. Flattened off on top end. Again, 7.5 upwards. 2.25 just isn't quite big enough to get that flow at the top end. You can see where it is, making power all the way up and then just tabletops on that last sort of 1,000 RPM. I mean, it's still making power, still making 230, but it just obviously a little bit bigger exhaust.
I think we'll try and convince the customer to go for a Tegra 70mm next.
Yeah, I think that's possibly on his plan. He was thinking about going in lit manifold as well, so I'm sure we'll see this guy again. He's been generally excited by his experience this morning. So
Ooh, I'm always excited by our experience, Rich.
yeah. Should we have a look at this graph?
Yeah, come on, let's do it.
Okay, so there we go. As we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is she leaves, with a custom Dynodaze tune, and we've made 40 brake horsepower in the mid-range there. Now, obviously, we've extended the rev range and lowered the Vtec somewhat, and we finish on what I'm classing as 230 brake. It is 229, I can see that. But it is 200 at the wheels, and that's an incredible gain, and really, really happy. What a beautiful car. Best colour. Do you think it's the best colour for an EP3? Rich thinks so, I think so. I think the work experience lad thinks so as well. But there we go. Yeah, brilliant. Thanks for stopping around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Well, indeed.
We will.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.